everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make hiyashi chuka. Hiyashi chuka literally translates chilled Chinese. It's very popular summer dish along with ramen noodles. It's like called refreshing version of soy sauce ramen. Because it's called chilled Chinese, it's considered as a Chinese dish. It is not, but it's considered as a Chinese dish. In early summer, all the Chinese restaurants put a sign saying hiyashi chuka available. When we see those signs, we know summer is just around the corner. Once you have all the ingredients, the prep is not too difficult. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I built a menu with this dish, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 servings. 2 bags of Chinese egg noodles, and for the topping, I have 2 eggs, 8 slices of ham, crab sticks, and cucumber. For the sauce, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon Chinese soup stock, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. And these are optional, but if you like some beni shoga, pickled ginger, and sesame seeds to garnish. At first, I'm going to prepare all the toppings. Let's start with the eggs. Put 1 egg in the small bowl. Little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And beat it well. Heat up large frying pan over medium heat. Put a little bit of vegetable oil. And using small piece of paper towel, spread it out. Let's put the egg. Turn the frying pan around to make thin crepe-like egg. When the edge of the egg lifts up like this, flip it over. It's hot, be careful not to burn yourself. Cook it for 10 seconds and take it out on the cutting board. And let's do the same for the other egg. So 1 egg in the bowl. Little bit of salt and pepper. That was too much, but never mind. Beat the egg. Oil the frying pan. Put the egg in it. Turn the frying pan around to make thin crepe-like egg. Cook for 10 to 20 seconds until the edge of the egg lifts up. You can see it's coming up here, so let's flip it over. Cook the other side for 10 seconds and then take it out. So I have 2 sheets of thinly cooked egg. Let's put it aside and cool it down to room temperature. Crab sticks. Let's take it out from the package. It's in film, so push on one end. It will come out from the other end, so pull it out. You just need to tear it into thin strips using your hands. Try to keep them aligned. Like this. Now, ham. You just need to cut it into thin strips. Keep them aligned and let's put it back on the plate. Cucumber. Let's cut both ends. And make thin diagonal slices. Align them a little bit. And then into thin strips, long way. Keep them aligned and put it on the plate. And the eggs I made at the beginning, it's room temperature. Let's cut it into 3. Put them together. Then into thin strips. Keep them aligned and put it on the plate. The egg is very easy to dry out, so let's cover it with a plastic film and then put it aside. Now I'm preparing some boiling water to cook the noodles. In the meantime, let's make the sauce. Into a measuring cup, Chinese soup stock, sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, I'm going to microwave this just a little bit to melt the sugar and the soup stock. Okay, it's all melted. So let's add 3 tablespoons vinegar, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Give it a quick mix and the sauce is ready. Boiling water is ready, so I'm going to cook the noodles. But before you start to cook, prepare a strainer in the sink and also some ice water. I'm going to cook the noodle for 1.5 minutes because the package said so. You just need to follow the instruction on the package. Let's just put the noodle in the boiling water. Gently stir and cook it for 1.5 minutes. Okay, let's drain. And rinse the noodles under running water really well. Rub the noodles against each other to remove any stickiness on the surface of the noodles. Okay, let's put this in the ice water. And leave this for a few minutes to chill the noodles completely. Back to the strainer to drain. And remove the ice cubes. And noodles are ready, so it's time to assemble. Let's put the noodles. A little more. Now I'm going to put these toppings. And you want to think about the color balance. It's green, pink, pink, yellow. And you don't want these 2 pink things next to each other. So let's put 1 pink here. And the other pink on the opposite side. And cucumber here. And egg here. Let's put some pickled ginger. And some sesame seeds. And the sauce. And hiyashi chuka is ready to go. Hiyashi chuka is a complete meal. It has protein, carb, and fat. So you can have this by itself. But I want to have little more vegetable. So if I choose one side dish to go with this, I would go for a tofu salad with Japanese salsa or sunomono salad. Hiyashi chuka is seasoned with soy sauce. So you want to have a side dish seasoned with other flavors. Tofu salad, which is seasoned with salt, or sunomono salad, which is seasoned with vinegar, would be nice. Okay, time for the tasting. Little bit of everything, the toppings and noodle in one bite. Itadakimasu. I love the sauce. It's very refreshing and it's perfect for a hot day like today. Yum! Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!